it seems like the new thing on the internet is this Dalgona coffee. Everybody seems to be talking about it, so let's give it a whirl. The ingredients are pretty simple. Just use some instant coffee granules, some granulated sugar, and some boiling water. And later we need some milk. So all you need is 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of the sugar, 2 tablespoons of the boiling water, and you're ready to roll. Let's mix that baby up. You want some really nice peaks to form, and once they're formed, you are ready to finish. Look at that, it's rich and creamy. It's gonna look good on that coffee. Add your steamed milk, and now spoon in the coffee, and hope it floats. Look at that, it's so yummy. Just add it right in, get every last drop. I added some powdered sugar just for the pretty effect, because I want it to look, good on camera. Yummy. So that looks pretty good. As far as looks go, that's A+ in my book. Just gently spoon it. It's hard to mix, but I've heard it's going to be really bitter if you don't mix it before you drink it, at least a little bit, even though it destroys the pretty effect. And now it's ready for drinking, and really that was so easy. It was basically under a minute, and that's way cheaper and faster than going to a coffee shop even. Let's try this Dalgona coffee. I would say it's really good. I don't actually put sugar in my coffee normally, so to me it's pretty sweet. Some people on the internet said it was super bitter, but it's got a lot of sugar in there and I think it tastes amazing. It only took about 2 minutes because I used the electric mixer, which is the way to go. You can be all trying to be strong using your hands, but it's really a lot more work, and so this was quick, easy, fast, and fun. So get out there and break up that isolation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like, subscribe, and stick around for future videos.